Hello, thank you for following this tutorial on how to set up delegation between users. Enterprise SSO allows you to delegate all or part of your accounts to a chosen user. Therefore, you can delegate your accounts without having to give away your password. Delegating accounts with Enterprise SSO can be done in a few steps. Choosing the user account you wish to delegate, selecting the user you want to grant access, defining the period of delegation. I will be using 2 session accounts created for the purpose of this tutorial. For users to be able to delegate their accounts, they must be authorized to do so. From the administrator console, check that the application profile used for the targeted application authorizes delegation between users. Controlling the delegation from the application profile allows you to grant delegation feature to the applications of your choice. For more information on application profiles, I recommend to follow the tutorial on how to configure a PFCP for a specific application. As you can see, the application profile I use for my applications authorizes delegation between users. On the workstation, applications who don't have the delegation feature enabled will have the delegation icon disabled. As you can see, I cannot delegate my FileZilla application. Indeed, the administrator has configured a specific application profile for this application, disabling the account delegation. Now I'll try delegating my timesheet account to Kate, the other account created for the purpose of this tutorial. If I click on my application, I see the delegation icon is available. Click on Delegate. Type in the user to whom you wish to delegate your account, and then choose the period for which you grant a delegation to your account. Click on Delegate. So let's see if the delegation has worked. So I'll log on with the user who has had the application delegated to. I'll open my timesheet application. The Enterprise SSO window appears and asks me which account I want to use. I'll use Tom's account. As you can see, I have entered Tom's timesheet account without having to know his password. In case you would come back earlier than expected, you can terminate the delegation earlier, manually, from the SSO engine. Not only will you not have to give away your password, but audit is generated in order to keep track of the connections to the application, which means that you will be able to differentiate access events to your application between your account and the one you have delegated your access to.